Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are someone who loves rice but hates the heavy starch and carb load that usually comes with it, you are going to want to pay close attention to this review. Today we are looking at the Cook with Color 3-liter glass mini low-carb rice cooker. This is not your average kitchen appliance. It is a sleek, multifunctional machine that promises to change how you prepare your grains. Let us start with the standout feature. The low-carb technology is really impressive here. It uses a clever two-step process where it boils the rice for 15 minutes to release the excess starch, and then it automatically switches to a 15-minute steam cycle. What makes this special is the auto-lifting stainless steel basket. It physically lifts the rice out of the starchy water for you. You do not have to mess around with manual draining or worrying about getting burned. It handles the separation process entirely on its own, which results in a much fluffier and noticeably healthier bowl of rice. Beyond just the rice cooking, this unit is built with a high-quality borosilicate glass bowl. I love that it is transparent because you can actually see exactly what is happening inside. It adds a modern, premium look to your countertop that beats the standard plastic rice cookers you see everywhere else. The construction also utilizes 304 stainless steel, which gives me a lot of confidence in the durability and safety of the materials touching my food. Now, let us talk versatility. This thing is a bit of a powerhouse for its size. It functions as a customizable hotpot with adjustable power settings from 100 to 700 watts. You can tweak the temperature in roughly 15-degree increments, making it surprisingly capable for soups, stews, or even braising. It also includes standard convenience features like a delay timer and a keep warm function, which is essential for busy weeknights when you want dinner ready the moment you walk through the door. Looking at the pros and cons, the biggest advantage is definitely the health factor. Reducing starch without losing texture is a major win for anyone watching their sugar intake. The glass design is a huge pro for monitoring your meal. On the other hand, the 3-liter capacity is perfect for singles or couples, but if you are cooking for a large family of 4 or more, you might find yourself needing to run multiple batches. The learning curve for the digital panel is quite shallow, so it is very user-friendly, but some users might miss the simplicity of a single-button rice cooker. Overall, the Cook with Color Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker is a fantastic addition to a modern kitchen. It brings a lot of tech and health benefits into a compact, beautiful package. If you are tired of mushy rice and want more control over your cooking, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.